Next guest says good oral health should be one of your New Year's resolutions. Welcome Dr. Hun Shim from Hudec Dental as our Happy New Year.
Hi, thank you. Thank you for inviting me here today.
All right, now a lot of people don't understand, I don't think, how your oral health affects the whole body, right?
Yes, that's a very, very important topic. And one thing that a lot of people don't realize is how much your teeth affects the rest of your body. For example, cavities is first and foremost is a kind of infection. And any infection has the potential to spread to the rest of your body too.
Okay.
And another breakthrough that we've been seeing in dentistry these days is the potential for a deep cleaning procedure for patients who are diabetic.
Okay.
And how that can possibly improve blood sugar levels.
Oh, see, I never would have thought of that.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, speaking of cleaning, now for the person at home, I think you're supposed to brush at least twice a day.
And yes, I recommend 2 to 3 times a day.
And how long are you supposed to brush?
I would recommend 2 minutes per brushing.
See, I need something to do because 2 minutes is longer than you think when you're not. If you're just brushing, you need like there should be movies or something to watch.
Yes. Well, whatever works for you. You can put a TV in your bathroom to keep yourself occupied for 2 minutes. I would say anything that would help you brush.
Now, one thing I read that was interesting to me, and like I was always taught you're supposed to brush right after you eat, but then I was reading more recently that you're supposed to wait like 30 minutes or some time because you shouldn't brush right away after you eat. What's the rule on that?
Well, the rationale is that as soon as you eat, some of that food causes a little bit of the outside structure of your teeth to be a little easier to break down. So if you brush right away, it will be more abraded than you be doing anything to restore the teeth.
So how long should you wait?
Generally 30 minutes to an hour.
Because if I wait an hour, I might eat again.
What was that?
I'll probably start eating again.
Yeah.
Now what about flossing? You're supposed to floss how many, once a day, twice a day?
I would recommend flossing after every meals, just to clear out the food in between your teeth, anything to take out the food that your bacteria can eat.
Now there's a way to, because flossing is good, but there's a proper way to do it. And some people, they have the sawing method, some people are up and down. What's the right way?
Yes, the right way is really to take the floss into and all the way down to your gums to get the food debris out. Kind of like massaging your gums, lean it on the tooth left and right and take it out. I don't recommend flossing aggressively either because that can really damage your gums too.
And how often should I visit the dentist?
Generally 2 times a year, but sometimes based on your risks, you may have to visit more often, every 3 or 4 months.
Okay, so we just keep them clean, keep them healthy, and that'll help the whole body.
Yes, and visit the dentist often too, because they are the ones who make the recommendations as far as keeping your mouth healthy.
All right, the goal should be to have a smile like Natalie. Then you know you've got it made.
Yes, yes.